Nice, Adam. All you, Keith. Come on. Come on, get him away. Nice kick. Yeah!
Started with the half ball.
Come on. All right, Garrett.
Where we at, midfield? There you go, there you go.
Nice, Michael.
To it.
Beat him, Matt. Nice. Oh! Oops.
Come on, Patrick! Push it, Patrick! I know, I'm sorry.
Thank you, Billy.
Who's on the outside out here? You keep moving out of position. Joe, stay up. Stay up, Joe. Come on, Zach, you got to fight in there. Come on, you got to get the ball. Let's go.
Beautiful, Billy boy.
Come on, Jack. It's all you, Jack. Catch up, Jack.
Nice, Matt.
Go
Nice.
to it.
Nice.
Steven. Go turn the back, guys. Stay on your feet.
Somebody's got to.
Come on, Joe.
Come on, Joe.
Let's go. Send the wing. Send the wing. Get back, Jack. Get in there. Why are we walking? Outside.
More outside.
Get in.
Nice, Jack. Patrick. Want it more. They want it more. Come on. Nice, Matt. Nice, Billy.
Touch it! Hey, you gotta move quicker, buddy!
Nice, Garrett! Beautiful, Garrett!
Hey, get ahead on it!
Tap it, kick it out. Don't piddly foot it. Just kick it out.
Does somebody want to kick it? Go, Josh. One of you go ball. Somebody go the ball. Go right at the ball. Oh, nice try, Brandon. Nice try, Brandon. Sean, send. Come on, Sean. Go, ride the Justin. Move up, Justin. Come on, Zach. Come on, Zach, all the way through it. Come on, Luke, put it in. Nice, back it up. Back it up. Back it up.
Guys, where was the D there?
Back up, back. Control. Touch. Nice. Touch it. Touch the ball.